young to die, but too old to survive. I spent too long trying to write this song. The tune is okay, but the words are all wrong. Maybe it's time for a change. Grand romantic sheen. Now I'm 28, but I'm still in my teens. Maybe it's time for a change. And now it's time to say